I think we got the bird food.
Okay.
Got the bird food. We got
a video.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's kind of
The birds.
bright outside.
Most of the birds are back in the back.
Okay. So we gotta go that way. I haven't gone over there in a long time.
We'll have to check later to see if they're eating it.
Yeah.
There's one.
I heard him from over there. Oh, there's one.
Wait a minute.
It's a bird.
Come back. We got lunch.
We got your lunch. We got your lunch. Now they're sensing it. They're sensing the lunch. Oh, there's a bird over there. Man, it's very
Okay, well, this is a good spot.
Alright, there we go. Yeah. Just leave it down right there. Yep.
Just like that.
They love the bird food on concrete. That's perfect.
Yeah, well, the plate would blow away.
Yeah, well, okay.
Okay, so.
That's some bird food. That's definitely bird food. Alright. It's probably gonna take a while for them to see it, but
Yeah,
they might smell it.
it'll take a while. But they're around those trees, so.
They might smell it from the...
I'm not sure how good a smeller birds have.
I mean, they do live in the sky.
Yeah, well, they depend on their eyesight mostly.
I mean, yeah. They might see it. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Maybe.
They will. Every time I've done this before, they've always found it.
Okay. They'll just find random bread on the ground and not question anything. Like it's a trap or something.
Yeah. Yeah, not question it. You're pretty easy going that way.
They really like bread, don't they?
Yeah.
They really like bread. Right from weird, strange humans that they never met before. Okay.
And then if we see them, then we have to be real quiet if you want a video on outside.
Okay.
Can you see where we put it over there?
Yeah. I see the little crumbs.
Yeah.
The birds just don't question anything about random crumbs on the ground.
I know. Yeah, it's not a trap.
They got small brains, so they don't think that much.
Enough brain for them to do what they need to do.
Yeah.
Okay, well.
Yep. Birds are definitely gonna come by and not question anything. So, oh yeah, I found this.